Hello everyone, so let's see what is in the cards for today for your reading. A fox card. This card comes when there's something unexpected to happen or when you will be doing something not expected of you. Same way, there is a chance that someone cheats you. So if someone is trying to give you a story or give you a reasoning, then be aware because this person may not be telling you the truth. And don't expect him to be truthful to you, and don't expect him to be genuine with you. But whatever is the story or the lies or the cheat that is coming in your life today will definitely teach you a lesson and will make it possible for you to understand why it happened and move further without any regrets or any sort of a resentment. Let's see what is another card telling. Oh, now that's actually more like a confirming card. When a snake and a fox come together, it is more like cheating, betrayal, manipulation, which is going to happen. And mostly, be very, very careful today. And if you're trying to start something new, don't start anything new. If you're trying to sign some papers today, don't sign those papers today. If you're planning to invest, please don't invest because someone or something is happening behind your back which is going to deceive you and which is going to create problems in the future. So today, avoid any major decisions to be taken, avoid any major transactions to be done. Whatever it is, postpone it for tomorrow. Maybe it's an indication for you to beware of what is happening. Also today, try to wear the color white so that you will have a clarity, you will have inner peace to handle whatever it is. Now here comes our Yera. Now, though it is deceiving, you will, if you follow the guidance that okay, today is not the day, and if you don't invest or don't take the major decisions which you were supposed to take today, then I see that it will be fruitful for your future, it will be good. And I also feel that you need to focus on your health also here. I don't know why I feel, but I feel focus on health and focus on self is needed. Maybe today, whatever is happening will stress you out, will make you feel hurt from inside. So don't get stressed and just take care of yourself and allow the day to just go because I think tomorrow it will be a better day for you and tomorrow it will go the way you planned. But today is not your day. Also, maybe offer an orange in your altar today and then you can have that orange and start your day so that the day will be uh, in sync and you will be able to focus on your energies. Now, let's see what the affirmation of the fortune cookies is saying. Communication. Okay, today you will just say, I am lucky in all my endeavors. I am lucky in all my endeavors. Say this 11 times and start your day, and I'm sure you will be able to overcome whatever is a negative which is happening, and you will be able to understand that everything happens for a cause. Have a blessed day. Thank you.